happy 50th anniversary po kay Lola and Lolo, as well as happy 25th anniversary po kay Tita Annabelle and Tito Joe. Para sa inyo po. Dito ka lang, kahit puso ko'y pagod at parang di na kaya, mamahalin pa rin kita. Dito ka lang, palagi sa aking tabi, lahat kayang harapin kung dito ka lang.
When I was sweet, you were my voice when we couldn't speak. You were my eyes when we couldn't see. So the best there was for me. They took me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me things that you believe. I'm everything I am because you love me.
Sabayan niyo ako!
Akala at lilipas din ako, ngunit ngayon pamitin, iiwanan sa iyo alaala, dahil minsan tayo nagkasama.
Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man.
Standing by my window, listening for your call. Seems I really miss you after all. Time won't let me go. Just lost in myself.
Hindi pwede yung kumingay.
I just like to let you know. I wish I never let you go. And I always love you. Deep inside this heart of mine, I'll love you. And I always need you. If you ever change your mind, I'll still love you.
Through life, Oh, I think they call this love.
I just woke up from a dream. Not to say goodbye. And I know what it means. But since I survived, I realize wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow. So as long as you know life is the next life, life is the next life. If your world was ending,
I wanna be next to you. If the world
it was over, and I thought all was through. I wanna hold you
just for a while.
and die with a smile. If the world was ending, next to you.
At lalo akong sumaya, naging maligaya dahil nagkaroon sila ng mga kasama sa buhay ang mga anak ko na hindi lang magaganda, kundi sobrang babait pa. Kaya naging successful ang aming pagsasalong ito dahil sa kanilang support.